Hanuman, true bravery is helping others.
哈努曼，真正的勇敢是帮助别人。
Long ago in India, there lived a brave monkey named Hanuman.
很久以前，在印度住着一只勇敢的猴子，名叫哈努曼。
Long ago in India, there lived a brave monkey named Hanuman. Hanuman was strong, but he always used his strength to help others.
哈努曼力气很大，但他总是用力量来帮助别人。
Hanuman was strong, but he always used his strength to help others. One day, a village was flooded after heavy rain.
有一天，一个村庄在大雨后被水淹没了。
One day, a village was flooded after heavy rain. Hanuman carried children and elders to higher ground.
哈努曼把孩子和老人一个一个背到安全的高处。
Hanuman carried children and elders to higher ground. When the villagers were safe, he smiled quietly.
当大家都安全了，他安静地微笑。
When the villagers were safe, he smiled quietly. Another day, a traveler lost his way in the forest.
另一天，一名旅人在森林里迷了路。
Another day, a traveler lost his way in the forest. Hanuman climbed tall trees to show him the right path.
哈努曼爬上高高的树，指引正确的方向。
Hanuman climbed tall trees to show him the right path. The traveler thanked him and found his way home.
旅人感谢他，顺利回到了家。
The traveler thanked him and found his way home. One night, a healer needed a special plant to save a sick friend.
有一晚，一位医者需要一种特别的植物来救病人。
One night, a healer needed a special plant to save a sick friend. Hanuman flew across mountains to find the healing plant.
哈努曼飞越群山，去寻找能治病的植物。
Hanuman flew across mountains to find the healing plant. Not knowing which plant was correct, he carried the whole mountain back.
他不知道是哪一株，就把整座山一起带回来。
Not knowing which plant was correct, he carried the whole mountain back. The medicine saved the sick friend.
药草救活了生病的朋友。
The medicine saved the sick friend. Hanuman felt happy, not because he was praised.
哈努曼感到快乐，不是因为被称赞。
Hanuman felt happy, not because he was praised, but because someone could smile again.
而是因为有人再次露出了笑容。
But because someone could smile again. On his journeys, he also helped animals in trouble.
在旅途中，他也帮助受困的小动物。
On his journeys, he also helped animals in trouble. He freed birds from nets and guided lost deer home.
他把鸟从网中救出来，也带迷路的鹿回家。
He freed birds from nets and guided lost deer home. Hanuman believed helping others was his true strength.
哈努曼相信，帮助别人就是他真正的力量。
Hanuman believed helping others was his true strength. He never asked for rewards or thanks.
他从不要求回报或感谢。
He never asked for rewards or thanks. His heart felt light and peaceful.
他的心感到轻盈又平静。
His heart felt light and peaceful. And Hanuman showed the world that true bravery is helping others.
哈努曼让世界知道真正的勇敢是帮助别人。
And Hanuman showed the world that true bravery is helping others.